Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started. Question number 1. Do you like to wear sunglasses? Yes, I wear sunglasses to protect my eyes from the sun's UV rays and to reduce glare. They also make me look fashionable and can complement my outfit. Question number 2. How often do you wear them? When the sun is out and I'm going out in the summer, I usually wear sunglasses. Question number 3. What types of sunglasses do you have? I own a number of different types of sunglasses. Aviators are classic and timeless frames that I own. I also have some cat eye frames that give me a more retro appearance. Finally, I have some sporty frames that would be ideal for outdoor activities. Question number 4. Where do you buy sunglasses? My sunglasses are usually purchased from department stores or online retailers. I enjoy shopping around for the best deals and fashion options. Question number 5. Would you give sunglasses as a gift? Yes, I believe sunglasses are an excellent gift for anyone. They are a simple yet stylish way to express your feelings to someone. Question number 6. Do you have any favorite pair of sunglasses? Yes, my favorite sunglasses are aviator frames with brown tortoiseshell frames. I like the classic look and they go with almost any outfit. Question number 7. Why is it your favorite pair? I adore them because they are classic and timeless while remaining modern and stylish. They are also very comfortable to wear and offer excellent sun protection. Question number 8. Have you ever lost sunglasses? Yes, I have previously misplaced sunglasses. I usually take good care of them, but every now and then I forget to put them back in the case and end up losing them. Question number 9. What are the main reasons for wearing sunglasses? Most people wear sunglasses to protect their eyes from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, cut down on glare, and see better in bright light. Most people wear sunglasses to protect their eyes from the sun's harmful ultraviolet rays, cut down on glare, and see better in bright light. Wearing sunglasses protects the delicate skin around the eyes from sun damage. Question number 10. Why do people wear sunglasses? Sunglasses are worn for a variety of reasons. Sunglasses can be used to make a fashion statement and express personal style in addition to protecting the eyes from UV rays and reducing glare. They can also be used to reduce the amount of wind and debris in the eyes during activities such as skiing and biking. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.